Apple is about to break the internet. Mark your calendars for June 8th. This is the day WWDC 2026 kicks off. Usually, this event is all about software. We expect to see iOS 27. We expect to see new versions of macOS and iPadOS. These updates are going to change how you use your iPhone and your Mac. They will make your devices feel brand new. But this year is entirely different. Apple is hiding a massive secret. They're not just bringing lines of code to the stage. They're bringing physical products. We have serious, concrete evidence that new hardware is coming. Some of these devices have been ignored for a long time. Some have not been updated in years. Now, they are getting the biggest upgrades in Apple history. You need to stay tuned for this. We're going to break down every single device. We will look at the new chips. We will look at the new features. And at the very end, we will talk about a massive 30-inch device that could change the creative world forever. Let's start with the heart of your house, the living room. The living room revolution. Let's talk about the Apple TV. This product has been sitting on the shelf for a while. Many people think Apple just forgot about it. The current model is okay, but it has a massive problem. It uses the older A15 chip. Now, this chip is fast enough for watching movies. It is fine for basic apps. But it cannot do the one thing Apple cares about most right now. It cannot run Apple Intelligence. This AI is the future of the entire company. Apple wants AI in your living room. They want it built directly into tvOS 27. To make this happen, the old hardware simply has to go. The current box does not have the processing power. It cannot handle the new smart features. This is exactly why a new Apple TV is completely necessary. The news gets even more exciting from here. Reliable insiders say the new Apple TV is already done. It is 100% finished. Industry experts like Mark Gurman say these devices are sitting in warehouses right now. They're packed in their boxes. They're just waiting for a release date. Apple has two options here. They might release it quietly in April or May with a simple press release. Or they might show it off on the big stage on June 8th. Developers need this new box. They cannot make apps for the new software without hardware that actually works. When this new Apple TV arrives, it will be an absolute beast. Here is what we expect. The A17 Pro chip. This is a massive leap in power. Console-level gaming. This chip will turn your TV into a real gaming console. Smart home hub capabilities. It will manage your entire house flawlessly. HDMI pass-through. A highly requested feature for home theater fans. Lossless audio support. Perfect sound quality for your living room. Apple is finally listening to what you want. By the time summer comes, the best Apple TV ever made will be sitting in your home. A brain transplant for Siri. But the TV is not the only device getting a brain. The HomePod is next in line. Both the big HomePod and the HomePod Mini are trapped in the past. If Apple wants Siri to actually be smart, these speakers need a massive upgrade. They essentially need a brain transplant. Just like the Apple TV, these could drop right before the main event. Apple is planning a huge change for HomeKit. They want your home to be truly smart. They want the speakers to be the center of everything you do. To achieve this, they need brand new chips. We expect to see the S9 or S10 chips inside these new speakers. These are the exact same chips found in the latest Apple Watches. This upgrade will make Siri lightning fast. No more waiting for a response. No more hearing, "I'm working on that." It will just work instantly. The design might look exactly the same on the outside, but on the inside, it will be a totally different machine. This is just the beginning of the hardware revolution. Apple is moving incredibly fast. They want every device in your house to talk to each other. They want AI to be everywhere. This requires more power than ever before. For years, the smart home was just a side project for Apple. Now it is a main goal. They want to beat the competition. They want to make sure your home is private, secure, and fast. That is why these upgrades are so crucial. They are the foundation for everything coming in 2026. If you've been waiting to upgrade your home setup, wait just a little longer. The change is coming very soon. The desktop powerhouse awakens. Now, let's move from the living room to the office. Apple is getting ready to refresh its entire desktop lineup. This is where the real, raw power lives. We start with a fan favorite, the Mac Mini. Right now, the Mac Mini is a great value. It uses the M4 and M4 Pro chips. But at WWDC 2026, everything changes. Apple is planning to unveil the M5 and M5 Pro chips. If you were hoping for a brand new design, I have some news. The look is staying exactly the same. Apple just gave the Mac Mini a new shape recently. They usually keep their designs around for a very long time. We probably will not see a new look until the 2030s. But do not let the familiar outside fool you. The magic is happening inside. The M5 chip is all about pure speed. It is built on a brand new 3-nanometer process. This makes the chip faster and much more efficient. The M5 chip will change how we think about base models entirely. For years, people have complained about storage. 256 gigabytes is just not enough space anymore. It fills up too fast. Apple has finally heard your complaints. The strongest rumor right now is that the base storage will double. It will jump straight to 512 gigabytes. There's a small catch, though. The price might go up by $100. This means the new starting price could be $699. But wait, this is actually a fantastic deal. Usually, upgrading your storage through Apple costs $200. Now, you get that extra storage for half the price. It is a massive win for most buyers. If you decide to go for the M5 Pro model, things get even better. 1 terabyte of base storage, plenty of room for massive files. Thunderbolt 5 support, a massive leap for connectivity. This means faster data transfers for your external drives. It also means much better support for high-resolution monitors. The colorful all-in-one. Next up is the 24-inch iMac. This is the beautiful, colorful computer we all know. Just like the Mac Mini, it is getting the full M5 treatment. The pricing strategy will be very similar. The price will likely go up to $1,399. But again, you get 512 gigabytes of storage right from the start. No more storage full warnings after just 1 month of use. But here is a very interesting whisper from the supply chain. Apple might be working on an M5 Pro version of the 24-inch iMac. Professionals have begged for this for years. They want the colorful screen, but they need more power. To make this work, Apple would need to fundamentally change the cooling system. An M5 Pro chip gets much hotter than a regular base chip. This means the iMac might have to be a little bit thicker. It would need bigger fans inside to move the hot air out. It is a design risk for Apple, but it would satisfy a lot of power users who want a simple, powerful, all-in-one machine. The heavy hitters. Now let's talk about the absolute heavy hitter. The Mac Studio is the powerhouse of the entire lineup. It has been waiting for a big update, and WWDC 2026 is the perfect time for it. The design will likely look the same as the original M1 version, but the power hidden inside will be terrifying. The new Mac Studio will start with the M5 Max chip. This chip is a total monster. It is designed specifically for heavy 3D rendering and complex video editing. But Apple is not stopping there. They will also unleash the M5 Ultra. This chip is rumored to be an absolute beast. It could feature an 80-core GPU and a 40-core CPU. The processing power will be completely off the charts. It will make even the hardest, most complex tasks look incredibly easy. Just like the other Macs, the storage is getting a massive boost. The M5 Max version will start at 1 terabyte. The M5 Ultra version will start at a massive 2 terabytes. The one more stunning mini LED display. This means perfectly deep blacks and incredible brightness. Promotion technology, super smooth scrolling and fluid video playback. Extreme power. It could pack the M5 Max or even the M5 Ultra under the hood. I have to be completely honest with you, though. Out of everything we talked about, this is the most likely product to be delayed. It might not be ready in time for the June event, but it is definitely in active development. Keep your fingers crossed because when this drops, it will change the game. The privacy bridge. While the big desktops and the living room gear are the stars of the show, Apple has even more surprises up its sleeve. We need to look at the mobile side of things too. This event will set the stage for the MacBook and iPad for the rest of the year. Even if we don't see a brand new MacBook Pro on stage in June, we will see how the new M5 chip changes the game for them. Apple is actively creating a bridge between all its devices. They want your Mac, your iPhone, and your iPad to think as one single ecosystem. This is exactly where the new neural engines come in. Every single chip we talked about today, the A17 Pro, the S10, and the entire M5 family, has one specific critical goal. That goal is to make AI run locally directly on your device. Apple does not want your private data floating around in the cloud. They want it safe in your pocket or secure on your desk. This brings us to a huge point about privacy. At WWDC 2026, Apple is going to spend a lot of time talking about private cloud compute. This is the hidden back end that makes Apple Intelligence actually work. When you ask Siri to edit a photo, or you ask it to summarize a long, boring meeting, the M5 chip does the heavy lifting right there on your desk. If the task is simply too big for the computer, it sends it to a highly secure, private server. But with the power of the M5 Pro and M5 Max, almost everything will happen